Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Amili Razik. My metric number is CE220002. So, from this lab experiment focuses on the simulating CPU operation using a Yasmin CPU OS simulator. It involves executing a sequence of assembly instruction in memory, managing CPU register and monitoring the program stack. The experiment aims to demonstrate fundamental concepts such as data movement, arithmetic operation, stack operation, comparison, and conditional jumps. By analyzing CPU register, stack behavior, and instruction execution, students gain practical insight into low-level programming and processor functionality. So, from this page, for the lab 1 is we have a CPU instruction in memory, which is RAM. Then we have program list. Then we have special CPU register, program stack, which is RAM. And the last one is general purpose CPU register. So from the instruction at address 0000, when I push the instruction move #5 R00, at the register R00, the value becomes to 5. Next, I push the instruction move #add at R01. So the R01 value is changed at 8. Next, I push at R01. At the program stack, the value 8 changed to the address 0017. And next, I push the -2 value. The program stacks are increased to the next address at 0020. So next, I jump at 0. The instruction become changed to the 0000 address. Okay, next instruction, I pop the R02. So the value at R02 from the stack value -2 change to the address register R02. And R02 value is -2. Okay, next instruction, I pop the R03 from the program stack value. R03 change from 0 to the 8, which is the value from the program stack RAM. Okay, next instruction, compare R04, R05, which is the instruction is R05 minus R04. Okay, the example is I put the value at R04 is 4, and then I put the value at R05 also 4. So I compare the value, we get a 0 number and the status flag at the Z is right. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So the Z status are ticked at the status flags. Okay, to get the N, which is the meaning is negative. So R05 minus R04 become negative value, which is I change at 4 value is 7. So 4 minus 7 are negative value. When I compare the instruction, the N status flag will be ticked. Okay. At this comparison, we must have a negative at 0 value, which is I change the value is 4 again. So when I compare the instruction, we get a Z. To get a clean instruction status flag with any tick, we have to get a positive value, which is R05. I change the value is 7. So when I compare, we don't have any tick at the status flag, which is the value is positive. So I change again the value of R04 7. So we get a 0 value. Then the Z column is tick. Okay, next instruction, jump equal to 0. So when I push this instruction, the instruction become at 0000. Okay, for the last instruction, sub R05 and R04. So I put the R04 value is 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and the answer is at the R05. Like this. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.